Powermatic is a symbol, a 90-year-old standard, deeply rooted in the tradition of providing generations of expert woodworkers with the tools and confidence needed to create and inspire. We push the limits of imagination to deliver superior equipment. Equipment that is as ambitious as the men and women who depend on us. Our standard is excellence, the gold standard. That is why we are proud to introduce the 3520C, the fourth generation of the time-honored 3520 Powermatic lathe family. A testament to superior design and paramount performance, the 3520C weighs 705 pounds for unrivaled strength and perfect balance. With a robust 2-horsepower, 220-volt motor, it's as strong as it is beautiful, and can effortlessly tackle large off-balance workpieces or complex multi-axis turns with its 20-inch capacity with 35 inches between the centers. Rich with the 90-year legacy of world-class engineering, the 3520C is an extension of its operator. The movable control box, adjustable risers, anti-rotation tailstock key, and easy-to-read digital speed and indexing readout make turning a customizable and intuitive experience. The sliding headstock and precision machined bedways provide convenient positioning for more accurate turning and is capable of outboard turning large, ambitious projects. Following strict guidelines and electrical requirements, the 3520C is CSA US certified and is proudly backed by Powermatic's 5-year warranty. As with every product Powermatic builds, the 3520C pushes the limits of design, innovation, and durability. It's time to step up to the gold standard. Visit us at Powermatic.com for more information and locate a dealer near you.